What is up, guys, and welcome to yet another video review of the possible mods you can do on your car. F82 M4 in my case, but basically I honestly love the steering wheel so much that this is my third video about it. And honestly, you can build a wheel just like that with the LED racing display, custom forged carbon, with the insert, with the perf leather, with whatever you can imagine. They will build it for you for $550. I'm not sure how long that price will remain available at this time of this video, February 25. I will link the supplier I used in the description of this video. At this time, you can build it for $550. So I don't know, it might go up, it might go down, who knows. But right now, if you follow the link in the description, and they will build the steering wheel like it for very, very cheap. I mean, come on, guys, this is a $1,500 steering wheel if you would have someone do it in the United States. But honestly, a lot of these are drop shipped anyway from China, so don't be scared of my supplier from Alibaba, because they drop ship these from Alibaba anyway, guys. I'm telling you, people will buy a bunch of these for 500 and change and resell it to you for 1,500 and make $1,000 profit on you. So don't buy it from the resellers, buy it directly from the supplier. Before you couldn't do this, but now in Alibaba you can buy low quantities. So obviously, before you had to buy bulk, and that's kind of how you ended up getting a lower price. But nowadays, Alibaba will sell to you one item for that low price. Like myself, I bought this one steering wheel and that's it. Again, so you don't have to go with the same configuration. I get it, to each their own. Some people may not like the forged carbon, the colors that I've chosen. They can build any way you like, any way you choose, they will build it. Another thing that I really liked about my supplier, that they send me pictures throughout the whole process, and they're like, oh, do you like this, do you like this, approve. So you approve every little piece that they build, and then they will not ship the wheel out to you until you're absolutely happy with it, until you fully approved the wheel, and then they will ship the wheel out to you. And also, my LED LCD display went out on me, and they sent me brand new display free of charge. These displays alone go for like $150 or more. So this whole wheel being $550 is ridiculous, guys. Again, link to it will be in the description. Also, if you have any questions, drop the comment in below this video, and I will reply to every comment, and then we can chat on Instagram. If you want any more pictures, any questions that you have, I will help you guys out. But again, just to wrap this video up, I want to show you the quality of the materials that the supplier uses. So this is your stitch-in carbon fiber. Get some more light in there. Wow, give you a nice view. Bam. And then this, you can change a bunch of different options on your display, but I have a full video on the installation of this wheel, as well as all the settings. All of it will be in the description for you guys. And lastly, let's do I'm inefficient, so it's not super loud. But these are your lights. They will turn red at whatever RPM you want it. I set mine at 5,000 RPM. I don't want to rev it too hard as I'm on the parking lot here. But look at this, guys. This steering wheel is stupid beautiful. Stupid beautiful. Definitely, if I had to choose top 3 mods I did on this car, this would make the top 3 list. So beautiful. And if you are wondering about the ambient light, I have this on the channel as well. Guys, I have so many useful videos on this channel, and I really hope you enjoyed these videos. I'm gonna wrap this video up right here. Please do like this video. Please share. Let's get these people in front of more people that looking for content like this. And of course, please subscribe to the channel. It is free to you, helps me tremendously. And as usual, hope you like my content, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.